Hi, Peter here. I want to talk about the new feature in version 7.1.5, Microsoft Query. So you'll notice here on my screen I have the invoice using the invoice pre-built model. And what I want to do is grab the service charge, which is found at the bottom of the page of this invoice in a paragraph. So you'll notice here I have the service charge. It actually extracts it. Let's talk about real quick where you can use this queries features. So in Document Intelligence Studio, you'll notice in the layout we have the query fields option. This is where you add your queries if you want to test it within the studio. And any of the pre-built models. So I added my query here to grab the service charge. And you can also do it on the custom extraction model down here at the bottom. Let's talk about here what Microsoft says how to configure the queries. It allows up to 20 query fields per request. So on my invoice, I can extract 20 different queries off that invoice if need be. Shows you how to do that here to test within the studio and the naming convention. So as grabbing the service charge, you actually have to put service charge, no spaces. I put service charge of, and then it was able to grab my query in that location. Pricing real quick, it's $0.01 a page. So you're already charged $0.01 for the pre-built model. So basically if you're going to use queries with the pre-built model, it's 2 cents per page. So let's take a look now how we configure that inside Info Input. You have your intelligent OCR step. First thing we need to do is look at our extraction profile. And you'll notice here on the one that I'm using, there's now under the add-ons a new feature called Query Fields. That needs to be checkmarked on. And then we add our queries in the same space or spot that we use for AWS queries. I just created a field called it service charge, and you'll see here I named my query text as service charge of, and then I map my fields here. So I did my normal mapping, and then here at the bottom I did query and mapped my service charge in my document class to the query field. And that's all there is to it. So give it a shot. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me.